Most medical and biological products require strict temperature control. Even a small fluctuation can compromise the entire shipment and endanger patient safety. Hi, see you again. I'm Desmond, Sales Manager at Monzone, Singapore. That's why Thermo King developed TK Pharma Solutions, a system specially designed for the pharmaceutical industry. Our SLXi-4000 is fully GDP qualified, meeting EU standard for safe and compliant temperature control transport. With tracking, you can monitor your cargo in real time and respond immediately to any temperature deviations. It is even GMP5 validated for added assurance, and with Pharma Assist will deliver annual calibration, preventive maintenance, and complete documentation through the IK portal. Because in healthcare, every degree truly matters. For more information, please contact me.